No
Ms. Spaulding, can you
way.
please come into the courtroom? And Mr. Acosta, if you will have a seat in the chair.
Yep, he's about to sit this one out. HB. Oh, we got one in
Ms.
orange.
Spaulding, can you please state your first and last name and your date of birth?
Jordan Spaulding, 9/13/93.
You are here for 3 matters. You have a new case, and then you have a warrant out of East Mesa Justice Court, and you have a violation of probation. I'm first going to talk to you about your new case. You were charged with 1 count of murder in the 2nd degree, a Class 1 felony. I did find probable cause. I did appoint an attorney to represent you. You do have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1 million. If you are able to post bond, you will be released to pretrial services on electronic monitoring, where you are not to return to the scene of the crime or have any contact with the victim's family. You are not to possess any weapons. If you're able to post bond, and if you fail to appear...
$1 million?
Yes.
Why would it be $1 million?
Do you really want to have this conversation right now?
Yes, I do.
So I read the probable cause statement, and what I read was very, very terrible, and I feel like you are a danger to the community.
Damn.
That's why it's $1 million.
It's $1 million.
Secured appearance, 10% of $1 million.
You feel like I'm a danger to the society?
So I'm not going to argue with you. I answered your question.
But they did a rape kit on me.
I answered your question. I reviewed all of that, and your attorney will review everything that I read with you. I would caution you to stop talking at this point in time. This is recorded. Anything that you say here can be used against you. I am letting you know. You asked why. I'm giving you the statutory reasons of what I had to consider, and based on the circumstances of what I reviewed and the nature of the offense and the facts that I considered for which I found probable cause, I do not believe that you are safe in the community, and it warrants $1 million bond. That's it. That's my answer. Then for your warrant that you have out of East Mesa Justice Court, you have an arraignment hearing on January 27th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. It is a placeholder bond. It allows for our court to transport you to that hearing while you are being held on your other matter. And then you have a violation of probation, which I appointed an attorney to represent you on that matter. You will have a probation revocation possible disposition hearing on January 29th at 8:30, and you have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. As I was previously noting, if you are able to postpone on any of these things, you do have to appear for your court dates. If you fail to appear for your court dates, any bond posted will be forfeited, and another warrant will be issued for your arrest, and more bond would be imposed. That takes care of everything that we have to do here this evening. If you will step to your left, the officer will give you your paperwork.
So I can't go nowhere unless I post $1 million. You're telling me $1 million?
No, it's $1 million.
$1 million?
Pardon.
That sounds crazy.
There you go. Pardon.
That sounds crazy to me.
She's cooked.
You
Eric
have
said.
$1 million. You don't have $1 million.
Shit, I don't got $1 million. I don't even have $1,000.
Who has $1 million? Like, I go to job, I got kids.
They didn't say what she did.
That's crazy. Like, she wasn't even there.
The judge said it was so heinous that she couldn't even say it.
Yes, I am. I'm sorry.
Might have to look up her name to see if she comes up in the news article. But that sucks. I mean, you could hear like in the voice and like everything that happened in the background is like, man, her reality sucks right now. It's all bad right now.
Mr. Acosta, if you will please come into the courtroom, and Ms. Wright, if you will have a seat in the chair.